Moving on to the final class of this, the first day of the European Tractor Pulling Championships at Bryne in Norway. It's the 3.5 ton modifieds. There are 4 from Holland, 4 from Germany, 2 from Denmark and 1 each from Belgium and Finland. But first we spoke to Wim Dingerink.
We built a new tractor this last winter, and we have in Holland only first and second places. It's unbelievable. Five times second and 5 times first places. And we are champions in the Dutch champion.
So you're quietly confident today?
Maybe, but it is one day, and everything went okay. I don't know.
So the Dutch champion in 2008, last year's European champion. This is Intertechno Lambada with Wim Dingerink. Hoping to make it a Dingerink double first day. You can hardly do better than that. Oh, full pull to Lambada. I think we should see it again from our end camera. Yeah, very convincing stuff. Right, now we move on to Green Monster from Germany, driven today by Tobias Horskamp, who's 28 years old. 2 Allison V12s providing the power. Really screwing it on. And that is our second full pull. So Tobias makes it to the final. 102.82 is his distance. Now here's another from Germany. Isotov 2 is the name. I guess it's called that because it uses Isotov turbines, and there are 2 of them. Gunther Balz is the driver, and he comes from near Munster. He gets 4,000 horsepower from his 2 TV3s. And it looks like he could have used more. 79.18 is his best pull. Well, this makes it 3 in a row from Germany. Though Koenig uses Isotovs as well. The intake of 1 is covered as he's only allowed to use 3. They're all DV2s. And that was close, but not close enough. 90.29 for Matthias Vogelsang from Bielefeld. The Danish flag was flying there. That's because the next into the arena is Muffe from Denmark, with 48-year-old Ole Mikkelsen in charge. The Rover Meteor tank engine, so compared to many of this class, he's very underpowered. Off he goes. And being brought to rest in the middle 50s. 55.01 for Muffe. Well, it's the taking part that counts, isn't it? Tobias Horskamp, who steered Green Monster to a full pull, is also driving Green Fighter. It's a different configuration from the Monster, but still 2 Allisons providing the power. This is going to be close. But yes, full pull to Green Fighter, so it's looking good for Tobias. And it's kept the German fans happy. 29-year-old Bert Whitak is a truck mechanic in Antwerp, but at the weekends he drives Baby Duck. He won the European Championship in 2006 at Lubesac in France, and he'd love to repeat that here in Norway. His Isotovs are doing their job, and that is a full pull to the Belgian. That's his father helping him on the track, and he's also delighted. 101.9 for his distance. Very popular with the crowd. Him and the ducks, of course. Now from Denmark, this is 17-year-old Henrik Jensen and Black Power. He was 4th last year in Herning, so he'd like to go at least one better today. Oh, this is going to be shaky dice. That's about 10 meters short. Yes, 90.74 for Black Power, and he misses out on the medals yet again. Well, Beverel Beaver from Holland was 3rd in this event at Lubersac, and Jaap van Diest from Putten wants another podium place today. But first, there's the matter of a full pool standing in the way. Bit light at the front, but Jaap thinks he's done it. Yes, 101.2 is his distance, and with confidence like that, the sky's the limit.
And so we are growing to, I think...
Well, there's 3 more to pull. Now from Holland, this is Bandit. Not the last of the Mohicans, with Corijn van Henvelen in the helmet. 3 Keith Black Stage 6 engines. Again, this is going to be close, but a couple of meters short. 97.88 for Bandit. Now from Finland, this is Lugon. It's a Transmash lorry engine with 35-year-old Pasi Autio from Oulu in charge. He seems confident enough. But this is what happened on his first attempt. First one way, then the other, and then out of bounds. Entertaining the crowd, but disqualified. Let's see if his second attempt is any better. Trying to keep it straight, but then off to his right again, and avoiding out of bounds by the skin of his teeth. 43.94, and last place for distance, but first place for entertainment for Pasi Autio. Now the last to pull, Whispering Giant. Another Isotov configuration. And this will be another close call. Do you think he's done it? It's 100.71 centimeters for Whispering Giant and Bas Liefding. So as the sun sets, let's look at the full pools. There's 3 from Holland, 2 from Germany, 1 from Belgium, and they all have a chance to win. Well, Intertechno Lambada is the first into the arena. A lot of weight on the front, giving maximum grip to the rear wheels. And this looks a really good pull. It's a 110 meter floating finish. Oh, and that's over the 100. 104.17 to Lambada and Wim Dingerink, who doesn't want to let go of the title. The Dutch joint master of ceremonies putting in the checkered flag, and that's what the others have to aim for. And Wim, not sure if it's good enough. Well, he'll soon know. It's 9 o'clock in the evening and still a large crowd getting their money's worth. Over to Germany. This is Green Fighter with Tobias Horstkamp. Not so good for the fighter. He excels in the heavier 4.5 ton class tomorrow, and that's only 81.51 for Tobias, who is a busy man. He's also driving Green Monster, so he needs to get back to the pits in a hurry. And that's where the Monster Baby comes in handy. See you in a couple of minutes. Well, this is Baby Duck from Belgium. And what the idea of that flashing light is, I have no idea. Bert Whitack disappearing into the gloom. It's a bit like you see on an aircraft, isn't it? Well, the low-flying Baby Duck had a distance of 90.65, which is second place at the moment, with 3 more to pull. Well, Tobias made it in time. This is Green Monster, 8th in 2007, 4th in 2006. What will 2008 have in store for him? Oh, could well be a place on the podium. That is a good pull from Tobias. A distance of 97.85, second place behind Lambada. I don't think that flag will be moved tonight, but I could be wrong. This is Beverel Igebever and Jaap van Diest from Putten. 104.18 to win, 90.66 to take third place. Good one from Jaap. 95.32 for Igebever. As we reach the final competitor in this class on day one of these championships. It's Whispering Giant, the name given to the Comet, the first commercial jet airliner. Well, they're waiting with bated breath at the end. But they can rest easy. 93.47 for Whispering Giant and fourth place overall. As we check the final results, Beverel Igebever third, Green Monster second, and the 2008 European champion is Intertechno Lambada with Wim Dingering, who gets carried to the podium. It's a Dutch double to the Dingering brothers.
The same as last year, and we never believed that here again it's possible. Yeah, it's unbelievable. Very, very happy.
And the actual winning pull was just about perfect.
Yes, yeah. Sometimes for this sleds, the sleds from Germany is a lot of better for me than the Holland sleds, and the speed in the beginning is very good, and yeah, the run was perfect.
Intertechno Lambada, the 2008 European champion. And we leave day one of the championships with Wim and the Dutch drivers and supporters. And you can be assured they will have a really good evening.